Fleshlight. Fleshlight.
Hi, are you there? I could barely hear you.
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, hi. Let me ask you, do you guys do repairs?
No, we don't.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Do you guys sell those fleshlights?
Yes, we do.
Okay. But you don't do any repairs on them? Because here's what happened. My roommate, he doesn't get home from work till about 10:30. I was looking for a Xbox controller in his room, and I found his. Kind of got curious. And when I went to go clean it, I dropped it and the plastic cracked. How much is one of these going to set me back?
They start at $79 and go up.
Whew. Oh my goodness! And do you guys have this one's a black one? And it looks like a butthole. Butthole.
Fleshlight. Fleshlight.